You are not bad at English. Your mouth is just not trained.
You understand many words when you listen. You can read simple sentences, but when you try to speak, your mouth feels slow.
Your words don't come out easily. You stop again and again, and you think something is wrong with you.
Hello, my friend. Welcome to Qlip English. I'm Michael.
And I'm Olivia. Today's lesson is for you.
If you understand English but cannot speak, this will help you.
Today, we will not learn difficult grammar. We will not learn many new words.
Today, we will train your mouth.
Speaking is not only about knowing words. Speaking is a physical skill.
Your mouth, your tongue, your voice, they must work together.
If you don't practice speaking, your mouth stays weak. Your brain understands, but your mouth cannot respond.
That is why you feel stuck.
Think about this. If you watch swimming videos every day, will you learn to swim?
No, you must go into the water.
You must move your body. You must practice.
Speaking English is the same. You must use your mouth, not only your mind.
Many people feel shy. They feel nervous. They're afraid of mistakes.
So they stay silent. But silence doesn't help you grow.
Silence makes your fear stronger and your voice weaker.
So today, take your first step. Open your mouth and speak.
Even if your English is not perfect, speak. Even if your sentence is small, speak.
Because speaking is practice, not perfection.
Start with very simple sentences. Say, I am here.
Say, I feel good.
Say, I am learning English.
These sentences are easy but powerful.
They help your mouth move. They help your brain connect words.
And slowly, you start speaking naturally.
Don't speak only in your mind. Speak out loud.
Your mouth must hear your own voice.
When you speak loudly, your brain remembers better.
Your confidence also grows. Even if you're alone, speak clearly and loudly.
Make speaking a daily habit. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes.
You don't need long time. You need consistency.
Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week.
Use a mirror. Stand in front of it and speak.
Watch your mouth move. This helps your confidence.
It feels strange at first, but it becomes easy with time.
Repeat your sentences many times. Say the same sentence again and again.
Each time, speak more clearly, more smoothly.
Repetition makes your mouth strong. It makes your speaking faster.
Your tongue needs training too. Some sounds feel difficult at first.
That's normal, but when you repeat them, they become easier.
Practice simple sounds. Practice simple verbs.
Slowly, your pronunciation will improve. Speak about your daily life. Say what you're doing.
I am drinking tea. I am watching TV. I feel tired today.
These sentences are real and useful.
Don't wait to feel ready. You'll never feel fully ready.
Fear is always there at the start, but when you speak, fear becomes smaller.
When you stay silent, fear becomes bigger.
So choose to speak. Now let's make it easy. 5 powerful steps.
Step 1. Speak every day. Don't skip a day.
Even 5 minutes is okay. Your mouth needs daily movement.
Step 2. Use simple sentences. Don't try to sound advanced.
I am learning. I feel good. I go outside. Simple sentences build confidence.
Step 3. Repetition. Repeat your sentences many times.
Don't feel bored. Repetition is how your mouth learns.
Step 4. Speak out loud. Don't keep English inside your head.
Let your ears hear your own speaking. This builds pronunciation.
Step 5. Think in English. Stop translating all the time.
Say in your mind, I am tired. I am hungry. This makes speaking natural.
Now, 5 quick tips.
Tip 1. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes teach you. Speak freely.
Tip 2. Use real-life English. Speak about your routine, your feelings.
Tip 3. Consistency. Don't wait for motivation. Small, daily effort is powerful.
Now, think about your journey. You already understand English. You're not starting from zero.
You have a strong base. Now you're building your speaking skill.
Imagine your future. You speak clearly. You express ideas easily. You talk with confidence.
This future is not far away. It's coming closer every day.
So, my friend, start today. Speak one sentence right now.
Then another tomorrow. Keep going step by step.
Train your mouth. Build your confidence. Trust your journey.
But here's something important. Training your mouth is step 1.
Because even when your mouth is ready, one more thing can stop you.
Your brain still translates from your language to English, and the words come slow.
In our next episode, we'll fix that problem.
The title is, You Only Need 5 Tenses to Speak English Confidently.
Simple daily steps, faster speaking, natural English.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.
And before the next video, speak one sentence in the comments, just one.
See you in the next episode.